Just hold your position. I have not yet got clearance from Makhado.
Okay, so what do you want me to do? Do you want me to take the 1202 frequency, or do you want me to...
The traffic is right here. You can continue on that H771.
India Delta X-ray, go ahead. And I have another aircraft joining left downwind, returning from a test flight. I'll talk to you later.
Out to the test area, and the one coming in, which is Jet X-ray Alpha, will maintain 5.5.
Do you know where he is?
November 1,
and then
turning on the left down, just to keep in some sort of separation.
Hey, from copy that. Thank you. I have one aircraft that's
Nigel, you must understand we're looking for...
returning to Mossel Bay. But trying to do it too.
Kyk nou 'n bietjie of hy bietjie baie skip.
Ek gaan hom nou dophou.
Does it come with a command?
Yes. The 400. Yeah. Isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I would say.
You know what the problem is? That my company does not want to have a spotter.
Yeah, it helps for somebody just to even just write it down.
1022, November checker.
Yeah. Delta Zulu Zulu, is that Juliet, go ahead. But when they decided to not be so good, I had them repacked with 2,500.